Hello viewers and welcome to my channel. Today's problem is a bit challenging problem and may be lengthy. In this problem we are given a quadrilateral ABCD in which the length of AD is 25 units, CD 7 units, CB 17 units, BC 5 units, and sum of these two angles, this angle plus this angle, is given as 270 degree, and we have to find the area of this quadrilateral, that means shaded area. We have to use the information given that this plus this is 270, but we know that sum of all four angles will be 360. Subtract 270 from 360, we are getting 90. So this angle plus this angle is coming 90. Now if we extend this side here and this side, so they will meet somewhere here, and in that triangle, since sum of these two will be 90, this alone angle will be 90, and we will get then a right angle triangle. Extending AB and DC, they are intersecting at point P. Since sum of these two angles 90, because sum of these two given 270, so this is 90, so therefore this angle will be 90 degree. So triangle PAD will be a right angle triangle, and we can use Pythagoras theorem here. So let us suppose this PB part is X and this PC part is Y. We have two right angle triangles, so 2 times we are going to use Pythagoras theorem. So one is x square plus y square is this 17 square in this triangle, and in this bigger triangle PAD, this PA square plus PD square is AD square, but PA is x plus 5 and PD is y plus 7. So if we subtract, we will get some relation between x and y. We will get an equation considering bigger triangle. PA square plus PD square is AD square, that PA is x plus 5, so x plus 5 the whole square plus y plus 7 the whole square, that is equal to 25 square. And from this triangle x square plus y square is equal to 17 square. If we subtract this one from this, x plus 5 the whole square is x square plus 10x plus 25 minus x square, and y square plus 7 square plus 14y minus y square. So we are getting 10x plus 25 plus 14y plus 49 is equal to this 25 square minus 17 square, so 625 minus 289, that is equal to 10x plus 14y plus 74, that is equal to this minus this. So after subtraction we will get 336, subtracting this here. So 10x plus 14y is equal to, now after getting the two sets of x and y, actually this line is variable. It may be, there will be two situations. From here to here we can say in this way, this is 17 and this is less, this is more, so in that way. So we are getting two values of x and y, and therefore two answers we are getting. To get this quadrilateral's area, find the area of this bigger right angle and find this area of the smaller, and subtract this from the bigger to get the quadrilateral's area. So required area is area triangle PAB minus area triangle PBC, which is equal to half base is this PA, which is x plus 5, into this height y plus 7. So it is half xy plus and minus half x into y. So xy plus 7x plus 5y plus 35 and minus half xy. So this half xy will get cancelled. So that is half 7x plus 5y plus 35. Once taking x is equal to 15 and y is equal to 8, in that case it will be 8 is x is 15, so 105, y is 8, so 40 plus 35, and that is equal to half. This is 140 plus 40, 180. That is equal to 90 square units. And when we take x as 100 by 37, so in that case area will be 700 by 37 plus 5y, 5 into 621 by 37 is, it is 3105 by 37 plus 35. After simplification it is coming 5100 by 74, and that is approximately 68.92 square units. So there are two answers, 90 square units and 68.92 square units. And this is the answer.